Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Tags are identifiers that you can assign to one or multiple members to easily communicate with a subset of people in a standard channel. Anyone on the team can then use the tag in @mentions or to start a new conversation with those that have been assigned the tag. By default, only team owners can add tags. Your Microsoft 365 admin can change this setting to allow members to add tags or to turn off the tagging feature if desired. To create a new tag, click the Teams button in the app bar. Then click the More Options ellipsis next to the team name and select the Manage Tags command from the menu. Click the Create Tag button in the Manage Tags dialog box. Then type a name for the tag into the tag name field. In the Add People field, type a member's name and select it from the resulting list. Repeat as desired to add more people. When finished, click the Create button. To close the Manage Tags dialog box, click the X in its upper right corner. To apply a tag to a member later, click the More Options ellipsis next to the team name and select the Manage Team command from the menu. If needed to expand the owners or members and guests lists, click either the Owners or Members and Guests links. Then find the team member to tag in the lists. Then click the Add or Remove Tags icon under the Tags column for that member. In the Tag As dialog box that appears, check the name of the tag or tags to apply. When finished, click the Apply button. The applied tags then appear in the Tags column for the member. You can hover over a tag to view the tag's contact card. You can click the Members link in the tag's contact card to open the Manage Tag dialog box and edit the tag if needed. You can also directly open the Manage Tag dialog box by clicking the More Options ellipsis next to the team name. Then select the Manage Tags command from the menu. To edit a tag, click the All Tags or Your Tags link at the top of the dialog box as needed. Then click the tag in the list. To edit the tag name, click the Edit button to the right of the tag name, edit the name, and then click the Save button. To add a member to the tag, type their name in the Type a Name field and select them from the resulting list. Then click the Add button. To remove a tag from a member, hover over the member's name, click the More Options ellipsis next to their name, and select Remove. To quickly chat to the tagged group, click the Chat with Group link. To return to the tag list, click the back link in the lower left corner of the dialog box. When finished, click the Close button in the upper right corner. To use the @mention feature with a tagged group of people in a channel conversation, type the @ symbol followed by the tag name and then select the tag from the resulting list. The @mention appears like any other @mention, and the people associated with the tag are notified. To start a chat with members of a tag, click the Chat button in the app bar, click the New Chat button at the top of the Teams pane, type the name of the tag into the To field, and select it from the resulting list. Then compose and send the message as usual.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.